Did you know there's a club set up for boaties who want to keep up with the latest developments in the marine industry and access discount services? Boat Club is an initiative of Marine Queensland, and it not only gives you access to a host of new services, but also allows you to have input in the future of the Queensland marine legislation. For more information about how Boat Club can help you as a boat enthusiast, owner, builder or supplier, then visit the Marine Queensland website.
Stop me, stop me. Stop me if you think that you heard this one before. Stop me,
It's not unusual on Creek to Coast for us to introduce you to a boat that catches your eye, something that you could see yourself at the helm of. Well, today, expect to be equally impressed. We've got something extra special, although this is a boat just made for sitting back and letting someone else take the wheel. If the Hamptons in New York State is the playground of the rich and famous, then this motor yacht, the Hamptons 680 Pilot House, could well be its on-water equivalent right here on the Gold Coast. Built in China, then finished on the Gold Coast, the 680 successfully merges classic yacht design with all the latest technology. Obviously, it's got all the tools, but it's beautiful looking also. It's a beautiful space.
It's typical of that you might find in a Rolls-Royce or a Bentley or something like that, or even a classic Aston Martin. So you won't find a whole lot of the carbon fibre and all that sort of stuff. The typical classic black leather over a rosewood burl finish is it's pretty hard to top.
Yeah, no, it creates a beautiful ambience.
With a full 68 feet from bow to stern and just over 18 feet of beam, space was never going to be an issue on this yacht. Even the galley dwarfs most others I've worked in. Below deck, you've got 3 forward staterooms as well as a separate cabin aft to house your crew, be it a skipper, personal chef, or maybe you just want somewhere to stash the kids or the in-laws.
There's not a moment where you feel like you're cooped up in a boat. Are people buying these boats to live on board?
Absolutely. There is a trend nowadays, I guess, with waterfront property being at such a premium and a scarcity too, people are also realising that they don't want to be stuck and committed to that one spot for the rest of their days. They like the, I guess, ability to go out and explore a little.
Powered by twin 1,015 horsepower Caterpillar engines and fed from a whopping 6,000 litre fuel tank, the cruising range can take you anywhere from Brisbane to Broome and beyond. Our rendezvous, however, is right here on the Broadwater, welcoming home one of our newest Golden Girls in grand style. Emma Snowsill was one of our favourite success stories from Beijing, winning gold in what would have to be one of the Olympics' toughest endurance sports. After years of training, successful competition and most recently more than a few photos with her shiny new piece of jewellery, we thought she deserved a night off in her hometown to let her hair down.
Was it coming home that made it seem real?
I think so, yeah. I think getting amongst family and friends and seeing all the people that, you know, your familiar environment and them congratulating you. I mean, obviously after the race, I had my very close family there, but yeah, I think it's been coming home that's really made me go, oh, okay, a lot of people did, you know, they got to witness what happened over there, and now that I'm home, I get to celebrate with them.
Since coming back, Emma reckons she's been taking it easy. Not that it's been all ice cream and sleep-ins. Turns out relaxing for a professional triathlete still involves plenty of exercise out in the surf.
So downtime is going surfing, it's not going to the bakery or anything like that?
Yeah, well, that's followed after the surf.
As all good surfers do, we need a pie.
Though pies and pastries are all well and good, this evening's dinner should be much more suited to our luxury cruise. Expertly prepared by local chef Jason Redman. If you've always wanted to say you're off for a holiday in the Hamptons, then contact the team at Gold Coast City Marina for all the specs. As for Emma, her next outing will be at the Noosa Triathlon coming up at the end of October, where, if things go to plan, she'll have another medal to add to what is already a full trophy cabinet.
Oh, you must be so proud. I'm a clumsy person. Yeah. Everyone who knows me would be watching this going, give it back to her.
No, I think they shouldn't be locked away. I think they should be, yeah, they should be out and people should see them. Why not?
Good on you.
Thank you.